The new Legend series is born from our best-selling two-post lifts, consolidating the engineering knowledge of our company and shaping it into an innovative collection, starting at a capacity of 3.2 tons up to 5.5 tons. With this series, we want to set a big goal. Let the performance meet the design. We envisioned modern lines that combine aesthetics and usability in the workshop. We've maintained our high production standards and improved it with long-standing, high-quality components tested for 20,000 cycles, and the integration of our TechLink connectivity system. The lifts with a capacity up to 3.5 tons feature asymmetric columns with electronic synchronization, designed to optimize the drive-through and footprint while moving the vehicle's center of gravity forward, allowing for maximum door opening without the worry of damage. The 3 width-adjustable positions and electronic synchronization make installation smart and flexible, reducing install time by 20%. The Legend series takes a step into the future. For more information, visit us online.